Welcome to another unboxing. Today we are unboxing a tire. So this is the Continental Ultra Contact UC6. This is a 15-inch tire with the specification of 195/60 R15. Let's take a closer look. Let's now take a detailed look at the thread pattern of these tires. The deep groove-like marking we see is the aqua channel surface stripe, and this is used to direct water film from the tread pattern. Next, zooming in, what we see on the right side, the wedge-like marking is the noise reduction technology, which is known as Noise Breaker 2. Moving to the left, what we see is the diamond edge. This increases grip and also improves braking. Let's check the date. So this is the Ultra Contact lettering, German technology, and let's pay close attention here. This is the numbering for the date. So it is 4021. So the 21 stands for the year 2021 and 40 is the week number of the year, which means this maps to the 10th month, that is October. So they've sent across the absolutely latest stock, and this is the tire specification. And the Continental logo. So the unboxing that I did just now was of the Continental UC6 tire, which was purchased from Amazon India. On the screen you can see the order details of the tire purchased from Amazon. Like I showed earlier, one of the important things to keep in mind while purchasing tires from Amazon is the date, right? The manufacturing date is marked out on the tire, like what I showed earlier. This the one I received was marked as 4021, where 40 represents the 40th week of the year, which mapped on to October. Now this order was placed on the 20th of October and I received the tire in a couple of days. So I did get the latest, which means I got October dated tires in October itself. Now, how do we ensure that the manufacturing date on the tire is the latest when buying from Amazon? That's what I'm going to cover now. Alright, let's get started. Now I'm on the landing page for the Continental UC6 tire. Let's say this is the tire that we intend to purchase. Now we need to make use of the facility that Amazon provides to communicate with the seller. As you can see here, the seller is Jai Tire Shopee and there are two sellers for this tire. So if I expand here, you can see that there is a Jai Tire Shopee and also Mittal Car Essentials. I see that the ratings for Mittal Car Essentials is better and hence select Mittal Car Essentials. And this is one of the sellers. And here we get the option of asking a question. So I click on ask question. And we can select an item for sale and we can say product details, and then we type the message here asking the seller to provide the date. I have the full text copied here, so I'll just paste it. So as you can see, we are asking the seller to provide the manufacturing date for the tire, which is Continental UC6 on sale at the link, and I have pasted this link from the Amazon site. And then we use the send message here to go ahead and send this message to the seller. So next, what do we do after we have emailed this seller? We need to wait maybe a day. Some sellers reply soon, some sellers take some time, and some sellers do not reply at all. It is better to avoid those sellers who do not reply. The next step is to go to your account and get to the message center on the Amazon site. Here you would head to the buyer seller messages, and here I will show you some of the messages. In fact, I had inquired before making the purchase for the Continental UC6 with two of the sellers. I had emailed Tire Walas, who said that you will get latest 2021 manufactured tire, but this seller did not commit any date for me. However, when I went with Mittal Car Essentials, they replied saying, I will share with you the latest stock and the manufacturing date of the tire, which was 35/21, which maps to September 21. In fact, I replied back to them and asked them to confirm whether they can provide the latest, and they did commit to it. And after placing the order, I went back to the seller and notified them that I have placed the order, shared the order number details, and also called out that they should ensure that the latest stock as promised would be sent to me. Next, we move to the last step, right? So we have placed the order and the order is about to be delivered. So make sure you are available at the time of taking the delivery. And Amazon sends tires in this type of plastic packaging, which is transparent, and also we can kind of make a small hole in the plastic sheet to kind of see the date on the tire. That is what I did. I did not provide the OTP to the person doing the delivery. I asked him to wait a couple of minutes, pried open a small hole at the place where the date stamp is, and looked at the date, validated that it is the latest, and then only gave the OTP for the delivery boy to kind of confirm the delivery. Amazon allows refusal of an order at the time of delivery. So if you find that the date, or if you see any other damages on the tire through the plastic packaging, you can always reject the tire at the time of delivery as well. So summarizing the key steps to take while buying tires online: use the Ask Seller option to communicate with the seller and make sure they commit to providing tires with the latest dates. And then again at the time of delivery, make sure you check the date stamp on the tire and then only provide the OTP. Thanks for watching. Until the next video, bye bye.